Hi, in this video we're going to look at how we find the point where two lines cross each other, where two lines intersect. This is the sort of thing that you might need for your coordinate geometry internal, where you find the point of intersection of two lines, like these two lines that I've given you over here. Now, in order to do this, go to your graphical calculator, go to the menu, and you want to find the equation function. On my calculator that you can see here, it's down as letter A, down the bottom of the screen over here, but on your calculator might be something else. Anyway, I'm going to get to my equation editor, and now I've got three options there, solving simultaneously with either polynomial or by the solver, F1, F2, F3. I'm going to solve these two equations simultaneously. So I press F1, and I've got two variables, two unknowns that I don't know. It's the y unknown and the x unknown. So I'm going to press F1 for two functions. And now we can see we've got this matrix appearing that will help us solve these two lines simultaneously. Notice, however, that the equations need to be in a particular format. You can see that over here. They've got to be in this format where I've got the x and the y on one side and the number on the other. So I need to rearrange these equations first of all, just to get it in that format. So firstly, I'm going to clear out the fractions, so everything is going to get multiplied by 4. And so my equation is going to look like this. 4y is equal to 3x plus 10. My other equation is going to look like this. I'm going to multiply through everything by 2. I'm going to get 2y is equal to minus x minus 6. And then I just need to rearrange it so that I have the x and y's on the same side. So this one I'm going to take away 3x from both sides. So I'll get minus 3x plus 4y equals 10. And on the second equation, I'm going to get x plus 2y. X plus 2y equals minus 6. Now I've got it in the format that I need. All I have to do now is to enter the coefficients of the variables as well as the constants into the equation editor, and I'll be on my way. So the coefficient of the x in the first one is going to be minus 3, so enter minus 3. The coefficient of the y is 4, positive 4, so leave it as positive 4. And the constant that I've got at the end is 10, so I press that. So we can see the three coefficients there, minus 3, 4, and 10 for the first equation. The second equation is much the same. The coefficient of the x term is 1, the coefficient of the y term is 2, and the constant that I have on the right-hand side is minus 6. So I've entered those in, and all I need to do now is to press the F1 button, which tells me I'm going to solve this. And there I've got my 2 points, the points of intersection. So I've got that x is going to be at minus 4.4, and I'm going to have that y is going to be at 0.8. It's actually minus 0.8, you've got to be careful there. And so the point of intersection is the point minus 4.4 and minus 0.8. You don't need to show any of the working that you've done. It's understood that you're using a graphical calculator, and that's going to give you your solution. So I hope that helps you. Goodbye.